Introducing CAT C70 series industrial sweepers. Ideal for facility crews in charge of floor care, CAT C70 ride-on sweepers boast an impressive cleaning capacity of 204,514 square feet per hour. Designed and engineered as a total facility cleaning solution, CAT's C70 series sweepers provide optimal dust and debris control for both interior and exterior sweeping applications. The dust and debris dumping feature is controlled from the operator cabin. The 42-gallon debris hopper is raised and lowered with the operator joystick. The debris hopper is released with the push of a button. C70 series operator features: easy-to-use push-button operator controls, HEPA filtration system with vibration shaker cleaning system, blue LED pedestrian safety light, front and rear turning signals and rear brake lights, adjustable operator seat with organizer tray, 5-volt USB charging ports, C70RX enclosed cabin features, integrated cabin climate control system with air conditioning, dual front overhead LED lights, illuminated rear backup camera with in-mirror operator display, full-length front windshield wiper with washer spray system, C70 series sweeper machine specifications: 48-volt rechargeable battery power source with included charger, 550 RPM brush motor, main center roller brush, 4 side brushes, 5-hour battery runtime, 10 mile per hour max speed, total cleaning path of 70 inches. Learn more about CAT C70 series industrial sweepers at Global Industrial.